This video demonstrates installing the T-harness. While the vehicle in the video is a Toyota and may not match your vehicle exactly, the process is the same. First, start the engine. This will allow you to turn the steering wheel and more easily reach the two screws holding the steering column cover. Remove the screws. Turn off the engine. Some vehicles have a third screw underneath. Using the included pry tool, pry open the steering column on both sides, then remove. Disconnect the factory black ignition switch connector on the right side of the steering wheel. Attach the factory ignition switch connector to the T-harness. Then attach the other end of the T-harness back into the vehicle. Pry open the lower dashboard on the left side. While it is not necessary to remove the dashboard completely, doing so may make the installation easier. You can use the pry tool as a wedge to keep the lower dash open. Disconnect the vehicle's white BCM connector. There is only one connector that will fit. It is not possible to connect the T-harness to the wrong connector. Plug in the T-harness, then connect the vehicle's BCM connector into the other end of the T-harness. Secure the module with the included zip ties, and the installation is complete.